Run the damn city, skiller than Man City. Yard man with me, plus me link the bad British.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and people, guess what? Vybz Kartel just dropped the single, just dropped the eagerly anticipated Undisputed.
Undisputed champion, heavyweight.
The song where him a say him a the champion. The song where him a say him a the dan. The song where him a say him a the king for the dancehall. And guess what? Nobody can take off that crown they have for him. So make we review. We are gonna review this song and see everything with Vybz Kartel I talk about, all of the hidden meaning and all these things. So people, no go nowhere. Just stay tuned to the review, yeah. You see me?
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
It's exploding right now.
So people, me now go start the review by saying Vybz Kartel is not the undisputed king of the dancehall and currently reigning king of the dancehall. Me know it a go hurt some people, you know, but guess what? Yo, you can't go around the truth, and the truth is, since Vybz Kartel forward in her music from one long time in a early 2000, Vybz Kartel no fall off. And guess what? All when Vybz Kartel got jail, people would have feel say Vybz Kartel would have stopped make music. People would have feel say Vybz Kartel song them would have stopped get hot, but it come like say at them time they get hot. You don't know how the thing go. So right now, Vybz Kartel just a forward out and I make the people them know publicly. Say yo, I want to some king. I want some wannabe king. A Vybz Kartel I say them thing they still in. I know me. You see me? Big up Beanie Man. Anyway there. Anyway still people, make we go in at this song right now. So here is Undisputed by Vybz Kartel.
You're now listening to Prince Music.
Undisputed champion, heavyweight, world great. I the make Gaza celebrate. World boss run the place. Anything less I get erased.
So first thing what caught my attention from this song is the rhythm. Vybz Kartel, oh you get them bad producer the inner the palms of your hand. Yo, when I research it, the producer name Dan Richie. Hope me I pronounce his name right, or hope me call his name right. Yeah man, him name Dan Richie. You see me? Him a VK music. You know say Vybz Kartel music have a little hands in that something there. But him make the rhythm. You see me? Him produce it. But yo, I wanna find a beat here. Hear the authenticity of this dancehall beat. You see me? Hear the snare them. Dum dum dum. Yo, it sound like them all back in the time. Stage show rhythm there. The rhythm what me I talk about, I think it's called showtime. You see me? Or stage time or something like so. Anyhow, the rhythm not really that important. When me I try say, yo, the authenticity of the beat and everything, it sound like back then fused with nowadays. Well, when me I try say, Vybz Kartel, it bad. Yo, good project.
Run the damn city, skiller than Man City. Yard man with me, plus me link the bad British. Burglar bar, thanks a crew, we no have pity. Glock in a me and pussy, give me where you have for me.
So Vybz Kartel around the damn city. Him say him skiller than Man City and people. Man City are a very skilled football club. And them are the champion for the past couple of years. Me not quite 100% sure of how much here. Cause I guess I'm not total follow football. But somebody where follow football, just comment in the comment section. You see me? But to the research and to me a year, yo, and them are one of the baddest. You see me? So Vybz Kartel compare himself to Man City. He might compare himself to a champion like that. And I said, dog, me better than Man City. You see me? Me are the champion for over 10 years now. A matter of fact, over 15 years now. Me are the undisputed champion. And that the man say another one little line there. But Vybz Kartel, you know say me there and a pre something. Yo dog, when you did their road, Man City did act that way there. Yo, Jano Star. And so me know say you really have alien brain.
Yo, Dan Richie, bring a couple bad bitches. When you bring the weed, it's like a back, the mount of transmission. Larry Wolves, Lennox, yeah. Mohamed Ali, Mike Tyson, Addy. Undisputed champion, heavyweight, world great. Addy make Gaza celebrate.
So people, if you want true Gaza fans, and if you really are celebrate for true, you know say Vybz Kartel the incarcerated. You see me, in the behind the bars. Vybz Kartel a lock down prison cell for long now, and yet still him and still the undisputed champion. When you just click the like button, cause here what me no know no dancehall artist where could have stay relevant for so long. You see me? So you have to celebrate. You see me? The youth here are the champion. Yo, you no need to ask no question. You no need to ask if maybe me have to mute out or something because I don't want none of why me. But right now, Vybz Kartel like champion, and people in that song I want to pay keen attention to the second verse, because the second verse are when the whole heap of weapon burst and bearded people are lay down in a earth and not evil. And one somebody forget a gunshot fi go home go nurse. None of that round here.
Yeah. Cooler than the British knife. Violate a blood again like witches spice. All people dead, that's Rodney Price. None of them no bad besides. All them do a rob me styles. I might disciple them. It's like I am the Christ. Well, obviously not.
Bombard star, yo, Vybz Kartel, how you find that? Oh, them say you fall off. Oh, them say you're done. Oh, them say your mileage run out. Jaja. Yo, the man say, cooler than the British knife. Violate a blood again like Richie Spice. And you remember that song there where Richie Spice they do was say, I don't like what them doing. You see me? You must know that melody something they even don't make you sing. But people, then the man say, yo, are people dead? Ask Rodney Price that a bounty killer. You see me? So him true a little shout out right there so to bounty. Then the man said none of them no bad besides. Them really just a rob me size. Meaning, yo, them a try small up the man thing. Them a try lily up the man thing. Then the man say, I might disciple them like I'm the Christ. You see me? But obviously not. Yo, Vybz Kartel, the whole line there, the whole 4 bar there, well done. Yo, Chaddy star. A long time I get excited over a song like this, yo. This song bad, people. And if you don't feel like say the song bad, just click the like button, don't hesitate. But here what? Make we hear some more out of the second verse when the weapon a burst.
My title must be hot, them flip to touch the crowd, no gloves, no let for that. Your life a gamble, now you want to let your back. We indestructible, no come in the cliff upstairs. To me defeat impossible. Undisputed champion.
No, Vybz Kartel, I want make ya deal with the rhythm, so the man say him crown must be hot, but them can't touch it because no gloves, no make for that. Yo, Vybz Kartel, me not tell a lie still. Yo, that song ya, me love it. Yo, that song ya is going to be a hit. A long time me not hear Vybz Kartel chop up rhythm so. You see me? Chop up lyrics so. Right now, him and just a chop up everybody so. And Vybz Kartel, you know say you're not easy. You pick trouble. You see me? Just because you know say you have one song when you're undisputed where I got drop, you start show shades after Beanie Man. Just because you know say Beanie Man kinda sensitive but him little king of the dancehall thing, the kingship thing and all these things, yo throw shades off for the man with that little Burger King chat there. Yo, me telling you, you see Vybz Kartel are like the king of marketing and all those lovely things, yo, but me still can't get enough other verse there. So guess what me I go do? Me I go play one more time.
My title must be hot, them flip to touch the crowd, no gloves, no let for that. Your life a gamble, now you want to let your back. We indestructible, no come in the cliff upstairs. To me defeat impossible. Undisputed champion.
So there you have it, people. That's undisputed. You see me? So people, if you like this review, if you like this song, just leave a like on the like button. Yeah man. And just click subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And people, if you know I watch my video constantly and you subscribe already and you don't click the notification bell, come on man, I wanna do a style, you know a style me, I swear. But people, seriously, you know click the notification bell too. So anytime I drop hot reviews like this, you're gonna be notified. You are going to be the first to know. So you can just click on it and enjoy, just like how you watch that video and you enjoy yourself. No. But people, but a big man level still, more wanna tell me in the comment section now, what you feel about Vybz Kartel Undisputed. You feel like say Vybz Kartel is the king of the dancehall? A matter of fact, me I go do one poll. So just click the top right hand corner right now and participate in the poll. Is Vybz Kartel the king of the dancehall, or is Beanie Man the king of the dancehall? You see me? Uno comment, uno vote on them thing there and make me know. top right hand corner. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, you can follow me over Facebook as well. Just search Chaddy Murray TV. A deso it there. Undisputed champion. Heavyweight. Yo, people. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.